Why are we putting the big ones in?
Biggest splash.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do the biggest splash you can do, Sonny.
Oh, what? I can do a bigger splash than that.
Drop the rock into there.
Okay.
Ready? Start rolling.
Are you serious?
Deadly serious. Beat
Let's
that,
get
mate.
you a
Beat
bigger
that.
splash. Beat that. Beat that.
What?
Whoa, shrapnel. Wow, that was pretty impressive.
You can find me here.
And then you can grab the bucket with all the food in it, and then you never have to get down.
Well, we're going to go have breakfast. What are you doing?
Can you get me some breakfast?
It all will be.
Do you buy one? Do you buy one?
And they had 4 quails. And
We
they
used to
were
have quails when we were little.
so beautiful. I wanted these quails, but I resisted. Good job. Good job. I thought, what if they all turn out to be boys?
Oh, he feels cool. Touch his tail. No, it's okay. Don't you ever climb up a tree. And don't you dare eat a shoe. No, he's escaping. Don't. Watch out.
And when time stands still,
Do really like that.
Get some air, mate.
we'll begin again.
Mommy, what's the word? Like,
Through it all will be in the evergreen. When the colors fade, I know we will stay. 'Cause through it all will be in the evergreen. When the colors fade, I know we will stay
What happens if I'm wheel?
Which room do you think we're going to sleep in at this piece? In her room. You can have a sleepover.
When the fire burns out,
Sonny, you have the potential to be anything in the universe.
when the
Believe in
music
yourself and
fades,
nothing can stop you. Love, Mum and Dad.
I know you